Hey everyone, this is Tina. Welcome to the Crafty Muffins. In today's video, I'm making this cute organizer. This is super simple to make and looks extremely kawaii. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out and turn the notifications bell on. The materials required for this DIY are craft foam, cardboard, paper, hot glue and white glue, pen and scissors. First, I took a piece of paper to make my template. This can be a waste piece of paper. Next, I drew the outline of a duck on this piece of paper. I'm keeping the drawing very simple. Once done, I cut off the template. Then I took some waste cardboard and traced my template on the cardboard like so. Once done, I cut the cardboard piece. I made two pieces, one for the front and the back. Then I took some yellow chart paper and I glued the cardboard pieces onto the paper. So this will be the inside of the organizer. I cut off the excess paper and I also cut some fringes into the side so that it would be easy to glue the paper over. I repeated the same steps with the other piece too. Then I cut off a piece of cardboard which measures 7 centimeters in length, and the width of this piece is the same as the base of the organizer. I covered this with paper too. This piece will form the base of the organizer. With some hot glue, I stuck the base piece to one of the cardboard pieces like so. Then I glued the other piece to the base piece as well. Next, I measured the width of the base piece and the side pieces. Next, I took some yellow craft foam. Then I cut off a strip of the foam sheet. The width of this piece is the same as the base of the organizer. Then I stuck this piece to the sides of the organizer like so. I started just below the beak. Stuck this piece till the tail and then cut off the excess. Next, I cut some thin strips of the yellow foam. Then I stuck these strips to the edges of the organizer like so to make it more neater. Then I took some more of the yellow craft foam and traced the organizer piece on it like so and cut it off. Then I stuck this piece to the front and back of the organizer. I cut a thick strip of foam. This measures around 1.5 inches in width, and I stuck it to the sides of the organizer to form a sort of a handle. Basic structure of the organizer is ready. Now I'll add in some more details. I took the template and cut off the wing piece from the template. I traced the piece on yellow foam and cut it. Then I glued the piece on the front part of the organizer like so. Next, I cut off a small round black foam piece for the eye and stuck it, followed by a pink flower piece that I stuck on the top like so. And I also cut off some leaves from green craft foam and stuck it to the flower. Next, I cut off a small circle piece for the center of the flower. Orange craft foam, I made the beak and stuck it in place. Lastly, I stuck a tiny white craft foam circle on the eye, and my organizer is now ready. Use this organizer to store your stationery or also makeup. I like carrying this organizer around when I'm working, which is why I also made the handle. I hope you all liked this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.